In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to Brevo email. We'll walk through this inside the Brevo email editor, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to insert a clickable link using a button and how to customize it so it matches the look and feel of your email. First, open the email you want to edit in the Brevo editor. Once the editor loads, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different content blocks that you can drag into your email, such as text, images, and buttons. There are two main ways you can add a link in Brevo. You can add it directly to a text block, or you can use a button block. In this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a link to a button, since buttons tend to stand out more and usually get more clicks. In the left panel, find the button block. It's usually labeled clearly and may show a sample button design. Click and drag that button block into your email layout and drop it where you want your link to appear. For example, you might place it under a short paragraph that explains what the user will get when they click. Once the button is in place, click directly on it in the email preview. This will open the button settings in the left panel. In these settings, look for the field that controls the button type. Set the type to absolute link URL. This tells Brevo that the button should open a specific web address when someone clicks on it. Next, look for the target field right next to or beneath that option. Paste your full link into this field, including the HTTPS//tree part if applicable. Take a moment to double check that the link is correct, because this is what your audience will be taken to when they click the button. Now you can customize the rest of the button settings. In the same left panel, you'll see options for things like tooltip, layout, spacing, background, and more. The tooltip is the small text that appears when someone hovers over the button, so you might use something descriptive like click to learn more. Under layout and spacing, you can adjust the size and padding so the button looks balanced in your design. Use the background and text settings to match your brand colors and make the call to action easy to read. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, move to the top right corner of the editor. From here, you can click Preview and Test to see how the email and button will appear to your recipients, and send yourself a test email to confirm the link works correctly. If everything looks good, click Save and Quit to save your changes and exit the editor.